When you have a helping heart, you can't help but lend a hand. It's simply who you are. Yeah, you give what you can. You don't do it for the praise. You just have a heart to serve. When you're a helper, you're a helper. I've been watching when you weren't looking. You've been giving of yourself all day. You check in and you check on anyone who's hurting. Even if you hurt too, you do it anyway. I'm thankful for you and all that you do. And if I asked you, I know what you'd say. When you have a head